My name is Nondumiso Kumalo. I'm in a choir, Project Zulu choir. Yes. I wanted to go through for auditions, and I go, and I was just my beautiful voice let me go get to the Project Zulu. I'm so excited because I never gone to overseas. It's my first time and I'm being nervous too and happy. It's going to be cold, I know.
A Gampu dance is the dance that made long ago when our fathers, grandfathers used to go to the mines for working. So they started it between lunchtime and after time work, then they make it a dance. I've been performing in lots of schools in England, and it's been nice and making new friends.
3, 2, 1, and go.
I met new people, new friends, new family, new everything. Just new everything. I'm a bit nervous because I never performed in so many people, but I'm a bit happy because if I'm performing now, we are going to get new classrooms and save the children that has been suffering from future. Thank you for donating the money for us, because it's been so difficult to us to learn because we are crowded in the class. We have maybe 60 to 50 children in one class, and it's been difficult for the others to learn because some others stay in the back so they can't see the board, they can't hear the teacher. So we thank you because you're making our future more easy.